So hi, this is Samsung Galaxy Star, very oldest phone. So today I'm going to repair it. The foundation I don't know where did it made and came from. So first I'll take a brush, clean it. I'll put some water and I'll clean it. One second. Yeah, can you see it? Yes. One second. So this is the phone. Now let me open it. Let me clean it. Let me see the screen. Is it a little blurry camera? Okay. There is no battery. Okay, so I'll fast forward the video. Okay, so I have got the battery of this because I have fast forward the video. So let me try this current. One second. Okay, this battery is working. This much current, and I need to check. Okay, it's done. Now let me put it on charging, if it is charged or not. Let me see. Yeah, it in the screen something has been showed. This much battery is there. It is showing. Let me put the cover, and there is no power button, and it's showing Samsung Galaxy Star. If I press this, and the power button is this white color, you can see it. You cannot see, it's showing Samsung. It's 9:48. I don't know, I think it will show a reset. Oh, what is it showing? Let me take out the power charging. It is still, let me check. I think it's not working. I don't know. Oh, that is working. There is a password, I don't know. What is the password? Let me fast forward the video. Okay, so I have reset full the phone and it has started. And I have taken backup into normal photos on this. The backup and the old photos was saved in SD card. So there are Hangout, dialer, and a game, and this game Lookcraft is called that. What is this? Fixed Play Store error. WhatsApp sender, mobile and TV, Rise Balloon and all, Google settings. Many apps are there. There is YouTube. Let me check this. This is not working or this is not working. I don't know. I think this. See. Yeah, this is working. Let me put some space down. So, how to do the space down? Go to your phone and type to keypad and write *#9900#. It is taking some time. I think it's not there for these phones. If you have a bigger smartphones like this, I'll show you. It's in a drawer. But it's broken very bad. I'll show you. This is that phone, which is a company name is Motorola Moto, that plus phone, Motorola Edge. This is that Motorola Edge, and it's broken. See, oh my, it's broken very badly, so I cannot use it. And the power and data is working. So this Galaxy Star. Now I have changed the password. So it's still working, and I have Honor Band 508D. See, it's in touchscreen watch. Touchscreen. There is a phone. Enable control on your phone to access songs. So this was my video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Like and subscribe too. Thank you, and comment for the video. Okay, bye bye. If you like this video, just share it with your friends and click on the bell icon